What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So as you can see on the screen, this is the before, this is how the bed look like, and this is how I'm going to be turning it into. So let's start the video. So guys, after cutting all the pieces of wood, I'm going to join them using these nails as you can see on the screen. And after joining them, I think you will see all the steps that I've followed. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and processes and materials, tools and everything that I've used in this DIY today. That is, if you want to try something like this on your own. And if you don't understand anything in this video, or there is something you want to ask, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, because we have a lot of subscribers and we really appreciate their support. Thank you for joining us and feel much welcome here. And guys, we are now on the road to 5k subscribers. We are almost there, so let's continue with the support. Commenting, liking, sharing, so that we reach more and more people. That is, if you share with your friends, family and anyone else, so that we get to grow together and we learn together, because obviously I know you will learn something from us, maybe one or two things. So let's keep watching the video so that we get to understand all the steps that I've followed to make this bed that you see today. And here I have the staple gun that I usually use to staple the strings of these buttons that I'm going to be using in this tufting today. I usually use it to staple the strings to the back of the headboard. Also, I have that needle that I've shown you. That is the needle that I usually also use during this tufting. And this is the fabric my client decided to go with. This is the blue color, the blue fabric that I'm going to be using. So this is how I did staple the back of the headboard. Yes, you can see I've stapled the strings to the back of the headboard, and what is remaining for me is to cover the back of the headboard using another fabric. And I was also going to be doing the same tufting to the lower side of the bed. As you can see, what is remaining is final touches. I'm also going to be attaching these boards with these shiny corkers to the headboard using nails. So that is what I'm going to be doing off camera, attaching them. And also, as I said earlier, I did attach covered the back of the headboard using this black material, fabric material. So everything is ready. What I'm going to be doing now is joining the bed. So make sure to like the video. Tell me what you think in the comment section below.